Hey friends! Good morning! Today, we are starting the vlog super late. Kasi guess what? What time is it, guys? Ta-da! It is almost half past 1 p.m. Oh my god, I don't know. What did I do? When I woke up this morning para to send Baba and Sashi to school, and then I go back to bed. I went back to bed and I got up like mga around 10. And then after that, mga chuchu-chuchu, yung mga nonsense na stuff. Yeah, wala ako masyadong ginawa today. This morning, but this afternoon, me and Ricky are going to run some errands. Yeah, definitely go to the bank. And then look at my outfit today, guys. It's yellow. I barely wear yellow blouses or like mga shirts like that. I always wear like white or blue or something. Basta barely you can see me wear yellow. So I'm wearing yellow today. Oh my god. If I when I was wearing this yellow shirt the first time, all I could think of is the LP. Sorry. Yun yung na ano ko. Naisip, I don't know what. Basta yung that's what I think of. So ayan. But I feel like wearing yellow today because today is sunny day, tapos malapit na din yung summer. So our makeup for today is very simple. Ayan. I still have my friend here, very big friend. Ang tagal niyang nawala. Nag-darken na siya, guys. It's the first time na may pimples or acne ako na dark. And ang tagal niya nawala kasi nga eto hindi siya did not come to a head. Parang nasa lang underneath ng skin ko. Gaya nito, hindi lumawa. Parang ganyan lang siya. Tapos ito naman. Ito yung pasaway kasi parang medyo may nana siya. Then I applied salicylic acid on this one and parang I don't know what happened, nagpop siya, tapos ayan, it looks weird and I cannot conceal it kasi may parang scabbing na nangyayari dito. So ayan, so I just blow dried my hair, nothing fancy. Later I'm planning to clip this here para hindi sagabal sa face natin. So yan, eto yung I'm talking so long again, guys. 2 minutes is almost 3 minutes. So I'm just going to eat some brunch na, wala nang breakfast. So yan, and hopefully I'm gonna see you later, guys. We are in the car once again, my friends. Ayan, we're heading out now. Timing lang din para pagka-uwi namin, we are going to fetch Baba and Sashi. So hopefully mabilis lang kami doon. Yeah, guys. Kay rice for dili ni Mami, dili one kanang Greenwich daw. Bill investment ni.
Melindas naman eh.
Diri dapit ba na may mga building diri ba diri na diri kay kay rice tree daw dapit na ay Greenwich di Calix man ni center. Sky rice tree, where the hell is that? Greenwich oy. Pero kung kita Greenwich na rin nga kanya ini lang ay Makati, here we go.
Video talaga.
Guys, we're here sa I.T Park. Nasaag minsan, naligaw kasi ang gulo naman ng instruction kasi first doon na building, tapos dito pala dun sa ibang building, and then the next is hindi pa rin yan na building. So ayan, medyo malayo yung parking namin, nasa 3 blocks from the building na kung saan kami nagpunta. Ibang-iba na dito. Ang dami ng building. When was the last time I was here? Mga, last year, no? Hello, Dodge. Kunan, kay ko binan mga Dodge. Ang ganda ng Dodge. Don't touch it. Good pa rin sa kadak ang mauwi. Oo. Parera dyan sila kadak. Then kami nakapark. Ayan si Rookie. Hi, Rookie.
Ata ni opening dito.
You make tikang there. Kanina, siya, nagtikang siya diha ay. Crazy. Uy, crazy. Crazy. Uy, lingis, adoy. Gapo. Gapo.
Kayo kayo.
Dito kami palabas sa parking pero it is so difficult. Bawd kaayo. Grabe kay ang taas ng ng tayo dito sa parking. Sama na.
What a fucking round. Nabaw pa na sa sunga.
Oh, ginoo ko yun sa mani. Unsa mani nga rides? Anong bang klaseng rides itong nasakyan natin, oy? Grabe, hindi man lang sila nakaya. Spalto sa magkano kayang bayad ko sa parking nito ay? God, ginoo ko ka.
Bawod kayo diri wala?
Bawod kayo.
Kilala.
Mao, bisag ispalto lang niya, no? Salamat. 20 raman. Ay, nako, nakaraos din sa tayo. So, we are going, wala pang 4. We're planning to go to Ayala to eat kasi we wanted to eat kasi gutom kami. Ayan. So, malapit lang yung Ayala, nasa dulo lang, guys. Yan yung si Rookie, my handsome husband.
Driver.
Grabe yung parking. Oh my God, gipaningot ko. So, we're out of I.T Park. Grabe talaga. Ibang-iba talaga yung aura dito sa I.T Park. Parang hindi Cebu. Ayan. Diba, oh? Yan yung building ng sister ko nila Sharon. Tapos dyan din yung building ng client ko. So, ayan. Yan yung building ng client ko. Ayan. Oh! Ayan. Cebu. Okay guys, we're home and I am cooking the dog's foodie and yung foodie namin. Yung foodie namin. Ito lang yung lulutuin ko ngayon guys. Ito lang yung kakainin namin. Of course, our favorite pancit canton, which is not so healthy. Ito kay Baba, kay Sashi, tapos sa akin. Tapos yung doggy's food, ayan, pinapainit ko lang yung mantika at saka yung water. And while doing that, I'm gonna also wash this baonan nila while waiting for mag-boil yung tubig. Yan. It's already gabi na guys. So, I think mag-good night ako. There's nothing to vlog anymore. Kasi gabi na. Ayun. So, I just finished some chores and then wala na. I cannot vlog it kasi mas mabilis pag hindi nakahawak ng camera. So, I need to say good night now and I hope that you have a wonderful day and a great day as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. And also make sure to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So thank you once again for watching guys, and I will see you on the next video. Good night.